You don't need me to tell you that life is hard. You already know that. You feel it every day, in your chest, in your silence, in the weight you carry just trying to get through the morning. But I'll tell you what you might not know. The fact that you're still here, still breathing, still waking up, still fighting through the fog is proof that you haven't been defeated. Not yet. You might feel behind. You might feel broken. You might think you've wasted too much time, made too many mistakes, or that the damage inside of you is too deep to recover from. But here's the truth. That pain, that doubt, that shattered confidence, that's the fuel. And what's keeping you stuck right now isn't your past. It's not your trauma. It's the lie you keep telling yourself that maybe this is just how it's always going to be. Stop. You weren't born to quit. You weren't put here just to survive. You are capable of rebuilding from the rubble, even if all you've got left is one good piece of yourself. That's all you need. One piece, one decision, one moment of clarity to start changing your life. And don't get it twisted. I'm not here to sell you some fairy tale. The climb will be steep. The work will be painful. There will be days where it feels like nothing is changing. But change doesn't come with comfort. Growth doesn't happen when you're numb and distracted. You've got to feel it all. The disappointment, the heartbreak, the regret, and decide to rise anyway. Because no one's coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not some magical right time. The only one who can do this is you, and the clock isn't waiting. Time is not your enemy, wasting it is. So today, you have two choices. You can sit in the pain and let it rot you from the inside, or you can use it as a reason to start over. Not next week, not when you feel ready. Now, don't let your potential die in your excuses. Don't let your story end here. The comeback is real. The redemption arc is waiting, but you've got to earn it. You have the strength to face yourself. You have the courage to fight for the life you want, even if it takes years. And you have the responsibility to stop living like you're already defeated. Your struggle doesn't define you. Your actions do. So get up, clean the blood off your knuckles, and write the next chapter like your life depends on it, because it does. If this hit your soul, then it's time. Time to commit. Time to grow. Time to subscribe to Motivation Central, because we don't run from hard truths here. We face them, embrace them, and use them to transform. This is your turning point. Don't waste it.